Hey guys, welcome back to my Crazy Big Buck family, guys, on YouTube. And if you're new on this video, happy Friday, guys. I'm at work, get subscribed. So I don't know if you can tell. In the break room, guys, I'm getting my 4:30 cup of coffee, guys, because I'm about to go work in the kitchen serving food. So I'm gonna grab me a coffee now. This is a new one. It's called Apple. I think it's Apple Crumb. My job has all these exotic coffees, and this one is different, so I'm going to try this one. I'm getting tired of the same old, so I said, let me try something different today, guys. But what y'all doing? I'm in the break room, guys. Today we had, I guess it was somebody's party, so they had pizza. So I already ate like 2 slices of pizza already. Take a look. Comment down below. That's the pineapple and I think ham pizza. This is one. It was pepperoni. And I don't know what that is, what kind of pizza that is, guys. Comment down below. But like I told you guys before, my job be looking out for us. They be making sure we eat and everything else. So I'm about to actually go serve dinner, guys. I'm gonna prop my phone up here. Get a nice little visual. But I'm about to go serve dinner, guys. So I'm in the break room right now. Making my coffee, guys. Here's my coffee. It's a little hack for when you put sugar in your coffee. I don't know if you do this kind of 3 packs together. You want to make it 4, like 4 sugars. Put 4, rip the top off, like that. And look, guys, comment down below. Let's see if you can see that. See? Look at that hack, guys. All 4 packs at one time. That actually smells good. Let me get a little butter knife. Mix it up. Get some cream. Out the refrigerator, guys. Get some cream in my coffee. My boss is probably looking for me right now, so he could tell me to go serve, but I already know that. He's probably looking for me though, because I'm supposed to be, dinner starts at 5, and I gotta be on the line to serve at 5. But when I just went back there was nobody back there, so I said, let me make my coffee before they call me back here. And there you go, just that easy. Put my top on there. That's not bad. Stay tuned.
Our trees, for everything that grows, including my husband's lawn.
I knew of was Wendell.
Save 40% on wall-worthy essentials from the spring shop at Hobby Lobby. Now is the best time to shop for exclusive decor and decorative. Create a one-of-a-kind gallery.
Not for $20.
That's kind of why I don't go, because I heard I remember when they just opened this one. I remember.
It's not bad. It's just
But I heard it's only chicken fingers, is it? I'm not gonna buy. Yeah, I'm good. No offense, I've never even been to Chick-fil-A before, because I'm not a chicken sandwich type of person. I don't really like chicken sandwiches like that.
I think it's good.
Yeah, I'll take me a cheeseburger before, or chicken nuggets.
If you get tired of fast food places and you want to try something new, I mean, it is different. And they give you Texas toast and coleslaw.
Yeah, what they having today don't look inviting. It looks just like baked chicken and mashed potatoes and green beans. I'm good. Yeah. I'm glad I had pizza earlier, because that doesn't really look. Green beans, baked chicken, and mashed potatoes. Huh?
Do you need food?
No, I'm good.
I have turkey and bread in my car.
No, I'm good. I kind of was wanting to see what they were gonna have, but I'm all set with that.
Make yourself a sandwich. I have turkey and bread in my lunchbox in my car.
No, they had some pizza earlier. I guess it was somebody's birthday earlier, so they had pizza. I had 2 slices of pizza.
Nice. Ordered from somewhere nice.
Yeah, and it's actually good. I got to see who they ordered from because that pizza was good.